to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the notification. So let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be mixing makeup into slime and making the slime. So what I'm going to be using is a bowl, a whisk and my glue and activator. So I'm going to be making a white slime with my glue. Open it up. Gonna put as much as I want. So I'm gonna put that much. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna activate it and I'm gonna add everything at last. And just mix it up. So I'm just gonna wait till it turns into slime and activates. So I'm going to finish making the slime and I'll be back. Okay guys, now the slime is all done. Here it is. It's actually really nice. I like it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the makeup. And here I have some of this pink blush. I'm going to put it into the slime using the other side of this whisk. I love the colour. It's really pretty. Okay, now I've done that. I'm going to mix it all up. the colour of this. Reminds me of kind of like hot chocolate, the colour. Sorry if you can't see the colour properly. I like how the colour turned. I was expecting it to be more pink, but it's kind of like a nude colour. Okay, now here I have some lipstick and some lip gloss. And I have 2 of these pink glitters. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the lipstick. Sorry, I meant lip gloss. I'm going to do some designs. Can't really see it. This part messed up. I'm writing my name, well, trying to. Kind of went to the side because I didn't have any space, but it's okay. That's my name. Now I'm going to use the other lip gloss. Can't really see this one. This lip gloss smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Can't really see this, so I'm not going to use this one. Now I have some lipstick here. I have like this red coloured one. Can't really see it properly, so I'm just gonna here I have another lipstick. It's a pink one, what looks like this. And that's the lipsticks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the glitters. I want to add loads of glitter because glitter is really pretty. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the other glitter. This one's a lighter pink. I'm just going to put it all around. Okay, I'm going to add some of this more of this gloss. This is how it looks. So now I'm going to do some ASMR. Squish these lipsticks. I think squishing lipstick is so satisfying. This is the end of this slime. This is how it's going to turn out. The lipstick does not want to mix in. So that's the end of my video. Hope you guys liked it. Bye!